Welcome back to the Ask David Bulluck Show. I'm David Bulluck, and that last video that we did, we talked about if you have health insurance, how does health insurance work with your personal injury case and payment of your medical bills? The inverse side of that is, what if you don't have health insurance? How do you get your medical bills paid for? Stay tuned. You're watching the Ask David Bulluck Show. All right, so answering the question, if you do not have health insurance, how do you get your medical bills paid in a personal injury lawsuit? So health insurance, real quick, health insurance, if you go see your doctor or you're at a medical provider, that medical provider or doctor, they'll submit the bill to the health insurance company pays. For the at-fault party, their liability insurance, they don't work that way. They only make a one-time payment at the end of your case, whether it's by a jury verdict that's converted into a final judgment or a settlement as to the overall value of your case. So if you don't have health insurance, but you're injured, you need medical care, the only way that you can go see a doctor is for doctors that will work in personal injury cases, and they'll treat patients on a letter of protection. And a letter of protection means that if you don't have health insurance, you don't have the ability to pay the doctor up front, the doctor will agree to treat you. However, whenever your case settles, you've agreed that from the settlement proceeds, you're going to pay that doctor or you're going to pay that medical facility for whatever their bill is. So you can still get the treatment that you need. However, you just have to realize that the benefit might go to paying the medical bills as opposed to going to you, which might have been different if you had health insurance or not. So you can still get treatment, but it's just how they're going to get paid, which is a little bit different. So I hope that answers your question and explains the difference between having health insurance and not having health insurance in personal injury cases. And so this is the Ask David Bulluck Show. Continue to ask your questions and I'll answer them.